I'm Amanda Blair, the Blair part of Corban Blair, and this is Gillian Corban. We're designers and manufacturers.
We were always interested in business being a force for good and for profit.
We work in collaboration with other artisans and makers. We are a B Corp Certified business.
We started out in 1988 with a view to being recycled, women being in control and working with others in a collaborative ways. We're always trying to push the potential of others, and I think that keeps us going, really. We actually thought when we were going for B Corp that it would be easier than it was because of this basic principle that we'd always worked from. It wasn't that easy. I nearly gave up. In fact, I thought I had given up, and the acceptance came through one Sunday night. I couldn't believe it.
She thought it was a scam.
I thought it was a scam. If you're still on your B Corp journey or thinking about going on the journey, keep going. There's a lot of help around now. I think we need more people thinking about the impact of what they're doing and doing business for good. I think it's really important.